crashing and booming went on for hours. It was crazy. It was scary. The photos that you're seeing are photos of our driveway. We walked out the first mile to assess the damage when the crashing stopped. There were still some limbs falling, and they still are, even days later. But it's just there are trees down everywhere. So we couldn't start cleaning up until things thawed a little bit yesterday because everything was like so frozen and stuck together. But we started working our way out. We haven't heard anything in the distance, chainsaws or machines or anything, so I don't think anyone has made it to our side road yet. So all we can do is what we can do, so we're starting on our end and working our way out. It is something else, guys.